Today, now I will share you one screen here. Okay, all of you listen carefully. Okay, okay. See now, today we are going to start with PHP strings. Okay, so what actually is string? String we have already learned in many languages. Okay, string is nothing but it is a sequence of characters. Okay, and PHP supports string operations. So in PHP we have various string functions that we can use to operate on them. Okay, so how to write string in our PHP language? How to write string in PHP? Basically, these are different ways that which are by which you can write the string. Okay, first we have to write it in double quote. Okay, either you can write the string in double quote. This is also valid PHP string. Okay, then second option is that you can write it in single quote also. Okay, and this is also valid PHP string. Okay, so either you can write it in double quote or you can write it in single quote. Then another thing is that there can be n number of characters in your string. There is no limit to write the characters. Okay, you can write n number of characters. So right now this is the string which is having 39 characters here. And another way to write the string is that you can write string with 0 characters also. Okay, so these are the four valid string examples. Okay, but this is how you can write the strings. Now what is difference in double quote string and a single quote string? In double quote string, whatever variables we will write, these variables will be replaced by their values. And in single quote, if we write some variables, then it will not be their values will not be considered over here. Okay, so here, see, this simple example. Okay, so here there is one variable. Okay, and in that variable we have stored one string called as name. This is one single string here. Then another variable is there literally, and we have stored this particular string over there. My dollar variable will not print. Okay, now here I am writing one print statement here. Okay, print ampersand literally. Okay, so what it will print here? Literally means this variable, and this print, it will print this string. Okay, so as this is in single quote, it is showing you the output in full format, means it is not considering this dollar variable. Okay, so here the value of variable, that is name, will not be shown in your output. Okay, so ampersand literally it will print the this statement as it is because it is in single quote. Okay, then we have used here break statement or break tag, so that our next statement will be on the new line. Okay, then again I have changed the value of this literally variable, and now I have put it in double quote here. Okay, my variable will print. Okay, and I am printing it by using print statement here. So literally it will output my, and dollar variable means the value of this variable will be replaced here. Okay, as it is put it in double quote. So what is the value of this dollar variable? It is your name. So output will be my name will print here. Okay, so in this way you can write the strings in PHP either in double quote or in single quote. So I have already told you that there is no limit on string length. You can write n number of characters in your string. Okay, then the thing, strings that are delimited by double quotes, as in this double quote, are pre-processed in both the following two ways. Okay, so जो डबल कोट में हम स्ट्रिंग लिखते हैं, वहां पे सपोज कोई बैक स्लैश आता है, सो ओके, सो इट विल कंसिडर इट एज अ कैरेक्टर सीक्वेंस एंड इट विल बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय दैट स्पेशल कैरेक्टर. ओके, एंड सपोज डबल कोट्स के अंदर अगर कुछ वेरिएबल नेम्स आता है which starts with the dollar symbol, then these are replaced with the string representation of their values. Okay, now see what are different escape sequence statements in our PHP. Okay, so slash n is replaced by new line character. Okay, this also we have learned in our C language as well. So slash r, it is replaced by carry age return character. स्लैश टी मीन्स इट विल बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय टैब कैरेक्टर, मीन्स जहां पे भी हम डबल कोट में अगर स्लैश टी लिखते हैं स्ट्रिंग के साथ, तो वो क्या हो जाएगा, वहां पे एक टैब स्पेस आ जाएगा. ओके, देन स्लैश डॉलर इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय डॉलर साइन इटसेल्फ, देन slash double quote is replaced by double quote, slash slash is replaced by single backslash. Okay, these are the escape sequences or escape replacements which are present in our PHP. Okay, now see what are different operations on string. Okay, the string concatenation